Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lizzie. Please subscribe and share if you're just tuning in for the first time. And for returning subscribers, I really love you guys so much. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to tie this simple trending Nigerian gele. And it's not difficult at all. All you have to do is to follow these simple basic steps. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to make about 5 pleats before placing this gele on my head. So after placing your gele on your head, you have to make sure that you trace your pleats down towards your neck area for the right hand side and also for the left hand side. So the rule for this particular gele today is 60-40. One hand of your gele has to really be longer than the other hand of your gele. So the longer hand of your gele will be the one that will make the fan, while the other hand, which is the 40 part of your gele, will be the twisted part of your gele. You're going to understand while we continue this. So I just twisted the 40 part of my gele right now, and after doing that, you have to make sure that you pin your gele so that it doesn't unravel. So right now I'm just going to take the 60 parts of my gele and then make some pleats with it. So this is the point where I'm going to start making my fan. All you have to do is to make sure that your two hands are making the pleats. One hand has to be picking the pleats, while the other hand has to be holding the pleats down so that your gele does not unravel. So you really need to take your time in doing this so that your pleats comes out really nice and beautiful. I have held this particular video for too long, but today I just decided that I'll release it because it has been in my phone for just too long. So if you're tying this gele for yourself, you just have to make sure that your both hands are working and they are tying the gele properly, because you don't want your gele to unravel at all. So after making your fan, you have to make sure that you twist the end of your gele, take it towards the back and pin it. So all I'm just doing right now is adjustment to make sure that my gele is fine and to make sure that it's firm on my head, so that when I'm dancing, if I'm going for an occasion right now, if I'm going for an occasion, my gele does not fall and it doesn't unravel. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this gele tutorial was helpful. If it was, please don't fail to thumbs me up and don't fail to subscribe and don't fail to share. I really want to see you guys in the comment section. This is what the back of your gele should look like. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.